all come through the same choke.
Now, everybody, wait, so, everybody look southwest. Yo, southwest on the card in 3, 2, 1, everything on the card, everything on the card, everything on the card. Nice hit. Yo, OC now.
West
Yo,
is
come
with-
a bit.
West is the wall.
Come now. Yo, potion.
Dropping Judy.
Light armor.
Push now. Wait, just hold. Yo, hold behind the fucking
Demons,
gate, okay?
boys. Demon.
Just hold.
Let us in.
Yo, wait. Wait. Look at the choke. Notice on my W in 3, 2, 1. On my W now. This one guy. What this fucking dog, man? What? Kill the chick. Yo, come back fast. Come back.
Bro, all their clerics are done.
Yo, help the bomb squad. I mean, help Mookie. Come back southwest. Yo, do not step up. Do not
Dropping
step
Judy on
up.
the
choke.
Yo, come back southwest, okay? Just hold. Yo, walk out a bit. Walk out a bit. Yo, spread. Yo, walk out a bit and spread, okay? Walk out a bit and spread.
They're mounting
Yo,
up. Some of them on the east.
Yo,
But
spread
they're not
around
full
north,
mounting. They're not
okay?
full mounting. They're wrapping you on the
Yo,
south.
come
hubs.
south.
Some on the north too.
Yo, you see them on the east side? Wait.
They are mounted up now.
Yes, you see them. Yeah, just walking. Yo, look east, north. Wait, look north deep in 3, 2, 1. North deep now. Kill the shit. Come back.
Hold them now, hold them now, D-tanks.
Come back southwest. Come back southwest. Up the hill.
They're all dismounted below the choke.
Yeah. Just spread my southwest. Yo, walk south. Just hold. Yo, my D-tanks, you see them on the
Kidnap these
southeast.
people.
My
please.
D-tanks, you see them on
Kidnap
the
these
southeast. Okay, come back.
Just split with Mookie.
people. Kidnap the
Yeah.
D-tanks, boys. They're wrapping you on the north halves. Just D-tanks, right?
Maybe can punish the
Yo, come north a
They're
bit.
going southeast. They full rock in the southeast.
They might be cutting off your exit to Terry.
Yeah.
One D-tank, watch the south.
Yo, come south a bit. Come back west.
See that?
You see that fucking A3 guy, Grubby? If you can hold that, you know?
Kill the mobs. Oh.
Yo, come south a bit.
They're here, mounted.
Come south.
Mounted.
Yo, see them north. Yo, north in 3, 2, 1. Everything north. Full come back.
Dropping Judy.
Light
Yo,
armor.
push it out.
Light armor.
Yeah, full come back northwest.
Spread.
Yo, spread. Yo, full come back northwest. Yo, push now. Yo, Mookie, come here. Yo, push now. Yo, come down
Mookie's
here,
on your south.
Come southwest. Come southeast, boys.
Yep,
Walk
start.
southeast, and everybody southeast on the count in 3, 2, 1. Huge fucking clump on the southeast side, man. Kill these dogs. Now, keep on southeast. Come southeast. Yo, regroup. Wait. Yo, walk west now. Regroup in the car. Yo, walk west now. Walk west a bit. Up the choke. Yo, fake now. Chase, fake now.
I
Yo,
can't.
fake now. No, everything inside. Yo, everything northeast on the car in
Dropping
3,
Judy.
in 2, in 1. Everything on me. Why this dog? And full come back southwest. Full come back west. Yo, heel chase. Yo, come inside Terry.